Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 13th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you haven't seen my full top down analysis on gold from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So gold did eventually have a nice push up today, and as I've been saying for weeks now, the trend is your friend, and we definitely should primarily be looking for longs. I mean, there's definitely been some very nice long opportunities over the last couple of weeks. Nice 1, 2, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3 waves down. Even this over here, 1, 2, 3 waves down, and 1, 2, 3 waves down. So trading with the trend at the end of three-way pullbacks is definitely the way to go. I was kind of thinking that this was going to be like an A, and this was going to be a wave B, and it was potentially going to go down for a wave C, setting itself up for the CPI inflation data news that we got coming out tomorrow. Does seem kind of likely like it might possibly drift down to a lower Fibonacci level before it actually does take off to the upside. But the trend is your friend, which tells me that I am definitely not taking it to the short side. I am only looking for longs, and I'm only looking to go long at the end of pullback. So if it does drift down, then that's great news for me. Not because I'm going to go short, but because I'm going to look to go long again for the continuation of this uptrend. It will be interesting to see what CPI data does tomorrow, inflation data for the US. But for now, definitely still looking to trade with the trend because the trend is our friend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.